What is up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get 12 months of Disney Plus Premium completely free. This is the best version of Disney Plus. It has 4K streaming, a bunch of other features. The way I got this is by inputting a coupon code. And I'm going to show you guys how to get your very own coupon code. But before that, I just want to show you guys that this works. Okay, guys, so here I am on the Disney Plus subscription page here. This is disneyplus.com. So I'm just going to press complete subscription here. Okay, and this is for premium, guys. So normally, like it says here, this is $160 per year. So I'm just going to select this. Okay, so here I am here. It's asking me to input my credit card information, but you do not need to input your credit card if you have a coupon code, guys. You just need to scroll down here, and it says click here to redeem a subscription code. So I'm just going to click here, and this takes you to the redeem page on Disney Plus. So it just says redeem your code. So I'm just going to copy in the 15-digit code that I'm going to show you guys how to get later on in the video. So copy this in here and just hit redeem. Awesome. So here we go. It says coupon code redeemed, Disney Plus Premium, 12-month subscription, guys. And all you have to do is hit subscribe. It's as easy as that, completely free with no credit card required. All right, so getting your own coupon code is very simple. To follow along with me, you're just going to need a smartphone. And this works on Apple and Android. I have tested this on PC. It only works on phones, guys. So I'm just going to turn on my screen record real quick so you can see exactly what I'm doing, step by step. And I got my screen record on here. So open up your browser, and we're just going to navigate to primetimecoupons.com. That's primetimecoupons.com. All right, primetimecoupons.com. So I check this site almost every day. There's always tons of game codes, coupon codes, promo codes being added to this site. But for this video, we just want to find Disney Plus. So I'm just going to search in the top here for Disney. Here we go, Disney Plus subscription codes. Perfect, so just scroll down to the bottom here. So you can see that there's 800 of these left. 12-month Disney Plus premium subscription code. So I'm just gonna press show coupon code. So you can see that the code is still locked here, right? So we gotta press unlock coupon here. We wanna fully reveal this code so we can paste it into the Disney Plus website there. So I hit unlock code, it just takes a second. Okay, perfect. So there's one last step here. It says to fully unlock your code. Basically, there's a list of apps here, guys. They all have specific instructions as well. Like for example, for Coinmaster here, I've got to get to level 3. For Travel Town, I got to get to level 9. And for TikTok here, you just have to run it for 30 seconds. So these are real apps. They're on the App Store. They're on the Play Store. There are 3 of these, but you only need to do 2, right? So just pick 2, pick the ones that you feel like will be the fastest to do. And these are changing all the time. So this list might look a little different for you guys, right? But just once again, just pick the ones that you feel like will take you the least amount of time to complete, right? For this first one here, I'm going to do TikTok because it says I just have to run this for 30 seconds. So, I mean, that's very easy to do. So I'm just going to install this here. And it just takes you right to your App Store. It says redirecting to App Store. Okay, so here I am at the App Store. I'm just going to hit get here. So I'm downloading TikTok from the App Store. Okay, and it's installing now. Okay, perfect. So now while this is installing, I'm going to select my next one here. So I'm back at this page, and we're going to go, I guess I'll do a Coinmaster for the next one. So I've got to get to village level 3 in this. So I'm going to press tap to install. Once again, it takes you right to the App Store. You hit get, just like before. So we've got the apps installed. Now we just have to meet the requirements for the apps. So I'm going to work on that now. I'd imagine it'll take me about 10 minutes to actually get to level 3 in Coinmaster. So I'm just going to work on that behind the scenes here. So just hang tight. I will be right back. All right, guys, so I am back. So I've met the requirements for both of the apps. I just want to show you this here. So I made a new TikTok account and I ran TikTok for 30 seconds. All right, so I mean, this is very easy to do, right? So I'm going to go back here and I just want to show you guys that I got to level 3 in Coinmaster. So let me just show you my village here. So yeah, this game is actually pretty fun. You just build structures, you fight other players, you spin a slot machine. It took me about 10 minutes to get level 3, maybe a little bit longer. And so I've done that, and I did TikTok as well. So I'm gonna go back to my browser. We're gonna go back to the prime time coupons page there for Disney Plus. I'm just gonna refresh the page because I've completed the requirements here. And so yeah, once again, we're gonna press show coupon code. You can see that the code is still locked, but since we completed the requirements for both of the apps properly, I'm just gonna press unlock coupon again. The code should now be revealed. So fingers crossed on this. Awesome, so here we go. This is the 15-digit code. I'm gonna paste this into the Disney Plus redeem a code section. Just like I showed you guys earlier on in the video, literally just copy this and paste it in. And if you do not see a code here, if it doesn't appear for you, it means that you probably didn't meet the instructions for the app. So I recommend you go back, you reread the instructions. You might have to do one of the other ones as well. That's really all there is to it. Like, enjoy like 12 months of Disney Plus Premium completely free, no credit card required. Let me know in the comments how this worked for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope I didn't take up too much of your time today. Have a good one.